Good afternoon, good evening, good dusk, good dawn, good midday, good midnight, good all them times of days in which you might be watching this content. If you don't know who I am Jawn. This is the Jawn channel. Thank you for once again returning to the Jawn channel. And if you are, please like, comment, and share these videos if you are already, a member of the subscribe category. And if you haven't already done so, please do so now. Subscribe. Any subscriptions in which you give will help as far as the growth of this channel. Hell, like I said before, your views help as far as this channel. This channel, if you don't know what it's all about, I'm going to reveal to you right now. It's all about erotic art viewing and playing video games while commentating on said playthroughs, walkthroughs, let's plays, and playthroughs, and which happen on this channel. Thank you for being here, and we're going to hop, with the intro being done, we're going to hop into some sleeping dogs.
Tonight? I can't, baby. I have to work late. You sure? I'd love to, baby. You know I can't wait to taste you again. But it'll have to be next week. If you say so. I'll call you, and don't worry. I'll keep everything nice and juicy for you.
Son of a bitch. Calvin? Wait. You were right, man. She's cheating. She's meeting him sometime next week. Keep your eyes open, man. I want to know when they're meeting and where.
What do you need? A ride, right in a second.
Okay.
Let's go!
What the hell?
That asshole was sleeping with my girlfriend.
You can't just punch a cop.
I know. Gotta have a getaway ready. I really appreciate it.
A little warning would be nice.
Oh, right. Okay.
You don't pull this shit, you gotta learn to drive. Think about dumping that girlfriend too, alright?
Well, she's not exactly my girlfriend. I really like her though. She's got a nice smile. Dresses real nice.
You're not even dating her?
Not yet, man. Gotta be optimistic though.
Son of a bitch. Is she with that guy?
You mean like right now?
Come on.
We're son on ye. Cops don't got anything on us.
Son of a bitch.
What a getaway. Thanks, Wade. Next time I need to hit a cop, I know who to call.
Find out?
Yeah, she's meeting him later today.
I don't believe this.
Hey, what can I do for you? What? Don't go too crazy on this one, Quay.
think you're doing?
Who are you?
Wei Shen, motherfucker, who you?
Oh, so the big triad gangster is mad now? Only the big triad gangster can sleep with other people?
Whoa, Triad? I'll see you later.
Who is this not pink person? You think you can fool around on me and I don't care?
Like, she didn't mean anything to me. It was just part of work.
Work? You think I'm an idiot? You think you can go around jumping into other girls whenever you feel like it? Well, what's good for Yang is good for Yin.
Okay, I'm sorry, alright? I never meant for you to get hurt.
Huh. Some excuse. So you gonna dump her now? Stay loyal to me? Or do I have to go find another man to keep me warm?
Let me see what I can do.
You know, I thought you were different. I guess not. Goodbye.
Playz 火鍋打邊爐，睇下我哋點。火鍋為你嘅生活添上熱辣辣嘅感覺，灼煮食。Playz 火鍋熱辣辣。
Fire up the 1100 NAR and feel 195 brake horsepower take you through the gears with gut-wrenching power. The 1100 NAR Superbike, winner of countless Grand Prix.
尖仔。醫院留咗位未啊？你冇㗎啦你！醫院留咗位未啊？佢你夾硬㗎！快啲啦！快啲啦！You know there's a lot of stabbing and gunshot victims lately?
Why did he put me all the way back here? That's that dumbass shit.
如果可以喺 Big Horse 批發店買到超平嘅頂級名牌。
手指就篤撚死你啊！我哋要散散。
seen Meng in a while.
But can I help you? Oh, I wish I could live your life just for one day. Get there fast.
You know what we need?
You've been listening to most. Correct.
Hey dear, looking to treat yourself? I can give you more than you can imagine.
Sure, why not?
You don't mind if I call you Daddy, do you, Daddy? That was wonderful. I hope you plan to be a regular customer, Wei.
Precision. Cambria for style. Cambria for sport. Cambria for any time at all. Cambria watches. Swiss made with accuracy and care. Cambria time. Your time.
Coming up on Real FM, the totally cool Kiss of Death by Jadakiss, followed by the Dave Sick Tech remix of Robin Slave from JJ Doom and Channeling by Turntable Maestros, Robert Koch and John Robbins.
I learned the game, I know what I want in a minute. The time is now, it's gonna be up in a minute. Look in the eye.
When you're looking for state-of-the-art audiovisual,
Let me fix my car up, then I'll take you. Easy.
Fine, it's your funeral. Not much. You? How's your dad?
guy shows up, and usually the... How's the race circuit, huh?
I still own it. Hey, you know this guy wait.
How's the race circuit, huh?
I still own it. Hey, you know this guy weighs shit? Supposed to be son on ye.
Every time I turn around, that guy shows up, and usually the cops aren't far behind.
Started racing the other day. Talking tough. You think he's a rat?
Or undercover. They had a problem with that a little while back. You think they kill a cop when the police just go away?
Son on ye's in trouble if he is.
I'm 18K, what do I care? But if I was you, I wouldn't let them see you do anything and walk away.
This town is full of morons, Naz. It's up to me to put them into place.
Yeah? Why?
Punk by the name of Ace, talking a lot of trash. Now the fool actually wants to race.
No accounting for people's intelligence these days. You gonna take him out?
Uh-huh. Motherfucker won't know what hit him. Telling people he's gonna take me down?
What?
Don't worry. He races me, and we scraping him off the pavement in stinky little pieces.
Looks like you have little choice, huh?
Inspector, it's Way. Hotshot's gonna race Ace. And he's talking like he's not gonna let Ace make it to the finish line alive.
Do you know where and when?
Not yet. And one other thing. Hotshot and his friend Nas suspect him of the cop.
Nas Singh, the drug smuggler?
You know him?
Yeah, I know him. He's an informant for HKPD. He's the one that put us on to Hotshot in the first place.
Fucking guys play both sides of the game.
You want me to tell him to shut up?
No. I agreed to help you, Inspector, but not if it gets me killed. Do everything you can to keep my cover intact. I'll deal with Nas myself.
All right, Wayne, all right. For now, let me know if you find out anything about that race.
Kerrang Radio. This is Real FM.
New to Hong Kong? Meet new friends at Bar, the expat's favorite karaoke bar. From golden oldies to contemporary pop classics, you can pick up the mic and give it a blast. Bar, fun, friends, and karaoke every night.
Yeah.
guys shut up Winston's mother's restaurant tonight.
Winston, I just heard. Your mother?
She's fine. But 2 of our people were killed, and a couple customers were wounded. The police are there now.
Wait, he went after your family?
大佬, everyone's outside. 我哋隨時可以出發. Listen up! We're hitting a sweatshop on the waterfront. All his trucks move to that place. It's how he makes his money. I want it burned to the ground. Siwa runs the operation. Put that Jawn in a shallow grave. Hey, don't touch my gear!
Winston, are you sure about this?
Of course, I'm fucking sure.
Look, what's the chairman gonna say when he finds his warehouse floating in the ocean?
He's not gonna like it. But there's no way Dog Eyes walks away from this.
So burn the warehouse, but take Suwa alive. Put him to work for you, and give the chairman a bigger cut than he was getting from Dog Eyes.
Okay, do it. Bring him alive.
Right, boss.
Get in.
Dog Eyes gotta know he fucked with the wrong people.
Yeah, no kidding.
We're short a gun. You're good with your hands, Shen. Let's see what you can do without iron.
Look, hold on. We shouldn't go in shooting anyway. There'll be workers in there. But we need Suwa alive. He's worth a fortune.
Oh, we're going in shooting. This is Dog Eyes' biggest moneymaker. They're not gonna give it up without a fight.
But you want me unarmed?
You're the new guy. Once you're inside, find your own gun and use it. Believe me, you better have some bodies on you before the night is over. I want to see proof that you're not a cop. As far as I'm concerned, there's only one test that matters. What are you trying to do?
All right. It'll be my pleasure. All right, here's the plan. Go to the back door. I'll look around. You wait for my signal to attack.